Hey everyone, here's an easy recipe for delicious eggless chocolate brownie with simple ingredients. This super tasty chocolate loaded eggless brownie doesn't require any curd or condensed milk. Let's prepare the dry ingredients first. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoon cocoa powder. Sift through the sieve. Give a quick mix and keep aside. In a separate bowl, take half a cup of melted butter, half cup homemade chocolate syrup. You can get the recipe in the iCard on the top right corner of your screen. 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Whisk until the sugar dissolves. Add in the sifted dry ingredients. Mix with the help of a spatula or a hand whisk. Add in half a cup of milk gradually and make a lump-free batter. Meanwhile, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also click on that little notification bell. Now add in 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chunks, 1 tablespoon chopped almonds or walnuts. Combine everything well. Grease a square-shaped cake tin with oil or melted butter. Place butter paper at the base of the cake tin and grease it. Butter paper is optional. Pour in the brownie batter and spread evenly. Top with some more choco chips or chocolate chunks. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Let it cool for some time and pass knife through the edges to loosen the sides. Remove brownie from the tin. Take off the butter paper and flip it carefully. Cut into squares. You can store these chocolate brownies in refrigerator for a few days at this stage and enjoy whenever you crave for a super chocolatey dessert. Let's make these delicious chocolate brownies more decadent. Drizzle some chocolate sauce or chocolate syrup. Make sure to check out my homemade chocolate sauce recipe. Now add a scoop of ice cream and drizzle some more chocolate syrup. This chocolate brownie is so yummy that you would want to make it over and over again. Do try it out and share with me in the comment section how you liked it.